In the last class, we discussed about types of materials. Those are glass and plastic fibers. So in the glass, we discussed about okay. All are here.
Yes, sir.
So my voice is audible to everyone.
Sir.
63 here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, halide glass fiber, active glass fiber, charged glass fiber already we discussed. Now go for plastic fibers. Second category of fiber materials is the plastic fibers. Plastic fibers. Here, plastic fibers or plastic optical fibers are the fibers which are made up of plastic material. We know that the name itself indicates it is manufactured with a plastic material. The core of this fiber is made up of polymethyl methacrylate. Remember this PMMA. Core is with PMMA, and another metal is a PFP, perfluorinated polymer. Perfluorinated polymer. Perfluorinated polymer. So these two you can write. Fiber is made up of with plastic, and the core of the fiber is made up of PMMA, polymethyl methacrylate, or perfluorinated polymer. Generally, this is called as PMMA, PMMA POF, PMMA POF, or PFP POF, PFP POF. That is for polymethyl methacrylate plastic optical fiber. POF is plastic optical fiber. Otherwise, it may be PFP POF. PFP POF. POF refers to plastic optical fiber. Plastic optical fiber. In short way, we are writing like this: PMMA and PFP. These two, PMMA, PFP. These two are the plastic materials used for the core. Okay, you have to write that. And next, come to plastic fibers offer more attenuation than glass fiber. This is another point you can write. Plastic fibers offers more attenuation than glass fibers. That's why it is used for short distance applications only. Short distance applications only. These fibers are tough and durable. Durable means for long time we can use this fiber. Fibers, plastic fibers are tough and durable. Tough and durable. And the diameter of the core of these fibers is 10 to 20 times larger than that of glass fiber. Diameter of the core is larger than glass fiber. You can write this point. Essential points you have to write. The diameter is 10 to 20 times larger than the glass fiber. And because of this larger core diameter, the connector losses are less. Connector losses are less in plastic fibers. Connector losses are less in plastic fibers due to high core diameter. High core diameter. So that's why you can use inexpensive connectors. So no need to use expensive connectors here because of less loss. If we have loss at the coupling, loss at the coupling or the joining of two cables, we can use a better and expensive connectors. Because of this less loss, we can use inexpensive connectors or splices. Connectors or splices at the transmitter and receiver side. Next, last one. Okay, that's enough. This is about plastic fiber. Okay, plastic fiber is made up of plastic, and the core is made up of PMMA and PMMA or PFP. Okay, that is a polymethyl methacrylate and perfluorinated polymer. Simply PMMA POF and PFP POF. PMMA POF is nothing but polymethyl methacrylate plastic optical fiber. This one is a perfluorinated polymer plastic optical fiber. Okay. I already told you have to write assignment as differences between glass fiber and plastic fiber. Okay. Then next one, next topic, distortion in optical fibers. Distortion in optical fibers. Keep subheading distortion in optical fibers. Distortion, or it may be called as loss. Okay, distortion or loss. What is distortion? Distortion. Distortion in optical fibers. Okay, signal strength is decreased with some factors. That is here we call as signal loss or distortion. Okay, distortion or signal loss is due to two factors. One is attenuation. One is attenuation. You can write attenuation. And second one is a dispersion. The distortion in optical fibers is due to attenuation and due to dispersion. You can write these 2 points. Dispersion. I already told you dispersion is nothing but pulse spreading or pulse broadening. Dispersion is nothing but pulse spreading or pulse broadening. Simply you can write pulse spreading or pulse broadening. Pulse broadening. Pulse broadening. Okay, that is pulse broadening is dispersion. Attenuation is nothing but, now we'll discuss that. So in optical fibers, the distortion or signal loss is due to attenuation and dispersion. We have some types of attenuations, or attenuation causes because of some factors. You will see that, and dispersion causes because of some factors. We'll see all one by one. First, go for attenuation. A question will be like this: what are the basic attenuation mechanisms in the optical fiber communication? Explain in brief what factors this mechanism depends. Okay, what is attenuation and causes for attenuation in optical fibers? We'll see that one by one. First, you can write what is attenuation. Attenuation. This point you can write. The decrease in light power occurs during light propagating along an optical fiber. Such phenomenon is called attenuation. When a decrease in light power occurs during light propagation along an optical fiber, then such a phenomenon is called attenuation. Attenuation. For example, here I am taking core. This is my core. In the same manner, I am taking cladding. Nothing but this is one optical fiber cable. This is one optical fiber cable. Here, for example, from different factors, the light incident on the optical fiber. Okay, the light incident on the optical fiber. When the light is traveling in the fiber like this, in the core, from transmitter to the receiver. This is, for example, I'm taking receiver, and this is I'm taking as a transmitter. From transmitter to receiver, when the light is propagating inside the fiber, after some distance L or after some distance Z, when it is traveling in the fiber, after some distance, the signal power or the light power is going to decrease. Okay, with respect to distance, the light power or the strength of the light signal is going to decrease. That is called as attenuation. That is he saying when the decrease in light power occurs during the light propagation along an optical fiber. That is called attenuation. Okay, that is called attenuation. All are following or not? Okay, attenuation is clear. Attenuation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the major factors of attenuation? We will see later. Before that, we will see the derivation for attenuation. Before that, the